What's up, people? It's been a day, let me tell you. Driven all over the place trying to find rabbit cages. No luck. Got some ordered though, but had to figure something out since we got rain coming, and also they need some shade because rabbits are really sensitive to heat, so I'll figure something out. So we're gonna do that today, but show you the chicks first. Hey, chickie poos. They're all doing all right. Still alive, that's good. Better than we've done before, isn't it? Isn't it? They're all in there. Getting bigger. Getting ready to go out. Still waiting on the shocker knot netting from Premier One, but they still don't have it in stock, so still waiting on that. But oh well, I guess we'll get it when we get it. But yeah, we're gonna do something today and get them things some shade and get them rabbits some shade and some protection from rain. So rabbits are real sensitive to heat, so we need to make sure we keep them out of the sun, keep the sun off of them since it's been so hot out. So that's why we put the tin on the sides, on one side and the top. That way we can put that side against the sun so they got shade during the hot parts of the day. And they've been kind of laying out whenever the sun is hitting them, and we've been having to cover them up with a picnic blanket. But this will work a lot better, a lot easier, and then also help protect them from rain, so they don't get soaking wet whenever it rains. We're supposed to be getting some rain coming up here again, so should help them out there. Looks like they're liking it. I only did one today. I only did one, and I probably won't video the other one, but I'll get the other one done and either today or tomorrow and go from there. Hopefully we'll get our cages pretty soon so we can get them off the ground for when they breed. Yep.